Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna share with you one of our favorite. You can see the fingerprints from the dough. First thing we did is we washed our hands.
Did you wash your hands with soap? Did you dry them?
This is our favorite. They're called ham and cheese rolls, is what we call them. But we use honey butter or any kind of croissants, and then we roll them out, and then we are going to take our dairy-free cheese and sprinkle it all over. And sprinkle that cheese. That's enough. Okay. Sprinkle the cheese. So we're gonna sprinkle the cheese all over our dough. So now that we have a good amount of cheese on it, we're gonna put. Oh my goodness, no more dough. We're gonna get our hand. We have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Sometimes we turn it up so that they'll go faster. There we go. I'm gonna put it on 360 so that they'll go a little faster. But you can do it whatever temperature you want. Here, this is 2. So we're gonna make 2 and then we'll stick them in the oven. Alright, here's the finished product. How is it?
Good.
Ellie, you like it?
Uh-huh.
Alright, they are delicious.